Hello and welcome to day 20 of Vlogmas. I'm in better spirits than I was yesterday. Aiden is feeling a lot better. You get to see him a little bit later. Him and Daddy went to the store. Yeah, I'm praying that I don't get it. I'm definitely praying my baby Ethan doesn't get it because I can't, like I was saying last night, there's nothing I can do for him. But you know, breastfeed. So yeah, day 20 of Vlogmas. It's so close, right guys? I'm watching a couple of Vlogmases. I just finished Joanna's stitching the high notes. Earlier I watched Kalisha's the Quirky Monday Crapcast. And yeah, so on my agenda today, I would like to get cooking today. And why do I sound out of breath? I just ate. I'm so fat. I'd like to get cooking. I also have to put days 1 through 18 back on the tree from my hour-long vlog on the 18th. Oh, guys, I found day 15. So no need to fret. No need to worry. I found day 15. Scared the bejeezy out of me. But I found it. So I figured we open day 20. And then I'll get to cleaning up, and by the time the boys get here, hopefully cooking. Or maybe eating cookies, you know? Either one. Eating cookies or cooking. Land of Misfit Toys. This is the color. So as you can see, this doe cardigan is going to be pretty pinky. I think pink is like her favorite color. So yeah, it's going to be pretty pinky. Yeah, so that's day 20. So, like I said, I'm going to get to cleaning. I think I would love to earn some knitting time. So I'm going to get to cleaning and get to possibly cooking. And then there's a sock in my trio. I don't even know whose sock this is. I don't know whose socks these are. Alright, get to cleaning, get to cooking. And then I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, so I finished cleaning the kitchen. Here's baby Ethan and Eden. And my husband asleep in the background. And I'm gonna fill out and apply for my EMT, which is part of a certification for emergency medical things, which is kind of like my first step to firefighting. So I'm about to apply for a community college to get that, and I figured we'd watch Christmas movies while I do that. And I am watching the new Grinch. So yeah, it's cute so far. Hold on, it's like I didn't like the color I was just yeah, so it's really cute. So Aiden seems to be enjoying it so far. So yeah, I'm just gonna fill out this application while we watch the Grinch. Say hi, Bubby. Say hi. You want to say hi? You want to see yourself? So, we will come back when I am doing something interesting, I guess. So, hey guys, so time has passed, and Aiden went with his grandma to the store, and he is actually over there with her taking a nap. I have tape on my face because we opened a new pack of tape. Tape is my favoriteest toy in the world. Huh, baby? I ain't moved them, so that should be where you had them last. And then not with the... You're from? My husband's wrapping gifts. I'm starting cooking. So, I'm making... Oh, crap, my bad, y'all. Whew, sorry. I'm making chicken broth from scratch. So I got a whole chicken in there and stuff. And it's gonna cook for some hours, I think. Don't ask me, I don't know. So then I'm prepping my vegetables for when I'm ready to start cooking. I'm gonna make dressing mac and cheese. And I believe I'm gonna do those pork chops in there. I know my mother-in-law will probably want some cabbage, but she gonna have to come over there and do it herself. I don't know how to do all that. But yeah, this should be good. Look on the table. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Now that there's one less baby, it's a little bit easier to focus, but I still miss him anyway.
I see a Sharpie.
Okay. But yeah. So, got my baby right here sleeping. Finished my application. I'm gonna go to Bevel State Community College to get my certifications.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure, love.
And I don't mind you going. Who can pay for that?
We're probably gonna end up having to get a student loan.
Why you keep making me pay for stuff?
Trust me, I don't like it either.
Yes, you do. That's why you keep signing up for it.
This is the first time I've signed up for anything.
I don't believe it.
I swear to God.
Don't believe it.
You know who signed up before me? You did. Because where were you supposed to go? Miles College. Why? Because you're supposed to get that degree in cooking or whatever the heck.
But I didn't sign up.
Exactly. But guess who put the FAFSA in first? You did.
Did I get denied?
No.
Then what money is?
It's in the school.
I just gave them free money.
No, I think you put the FAFSA in, but because you didn't complete it, I'm sure they didn't like run it or nothing.
Oh, well, I'd love to know what that check is.
Child, bye.
I'm just saying, I put that toward my truck.
Anyway,
now.
that's not him trying to get me together. Like, I just be, I'm the adventurous one going to all these colleges. But he did it first.
I attempted to do it first. Don't say I did it.
Trifling.
Okay, you gotta help me with these little thingamajiggies.
Okay.
Alright, so I got that one thing for your mama. What you want to put on it?
For my mom?
Oh, crap. Where's the thing? I gotta wrap it too.
Should I stop recording? Is it a surprise? Yes. Who's it for?
Your mama.
Okay, let me stop recording because she actually watched the one from yesterday. So I'm like, oh, God. I hope we didn't say anything. It was like a 5-minute video I put just to say that I uploaded that day, but I look like garbage. I was exhausted.
So what'd you say?
I was like, I'm exhausted. My son has the flu. I didn't say I was exhausted, but everybody told me, you look exhausted. I'm sorry about your kid. It's like, thanks.
You gotta stop looking sad on camera.
I was doing my darndest. I guess I wasn't doing good enough.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, yeah, I'm going to help him with these labels, and then I'll come back and I guess talk to you guys more about what I'm making and the EMT thing. So, yeah. Okay. Hello again, guys. So, it's not really that much later. It's kind of later. My chicken stock broth. Coffee broth is still going. So I am just gonna prep my mac and cheese and everything. I don't know what to set you guys on to make it to where you... Oh! I was so confident. Wait, okay, here, let's do this, right? And then grab a couple of... So. Okay. Alright. So what I'm doing now is just prepping everything so that way when I am ready, I can just put it all together. Have not had a lot of knitting time today. First I was sad about that, but then I was like, you know what? That's fine. That is so fine. But yeah, so I am just cutting up some stuff. I need to get water boiling on the stove for my mac and cheese. I almost cut my finger off the other day. Well, not the other day, like a few hours ago. But yeah, what was I gonna talk about? Oh yeah. So yeah, I am on the road to being a firefighter. I actually have a friend that's a firefighter, and my mom is friends with the wife of the firefighter that just became assistant chief. Oh God, it's happening. Assistant chief, fire chief of Birmingham. So what's happening is I'm starting off with getting my EMT license and starting off being a paramedic first. And I'm just gonna see, you know, if I want to pursue firefighting. I feel like if I become a paramedic first, I may want to stay a paramedic. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Just because I heard there's a large call for paramedics in the area. So I would love to answer that call for the paramedics. Need some medics. I've always been into... Huh? Nothing? Is your pee-pee out? Maybe they won't see it. What are you doing? What? Oh, okay. You can come in here, just don't show us your pee-pee. Come look and see if this looks like chicken stock. Come see what it looks like.
Well, I gotta see what it look like. You tell me.
You're the chef. I don't know.
No, I know that.
You think I should turn it down?
Maybe a little bit. Ain't no more mashed potatoes, right?
There is some more mashed potatoes on top of that meat.
It's on top of the meat?
Yeah. It's all together, so if you want to eat it now, you can just heat it up.
I mean, maybe, but I just need some chicken breast. Give me a coca.
Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola.
Coca.
So yeah, so that's why. And the assistant chief of Birmingham said that if you get your EMT before you start firefighting, then you get more bang for the buck. And I'm not really doing this for the money part, but I hear the money's really nice.
You better be doing it for the money, don't you?
I just want to help people.
I tell you the truth. Help me pay for stuff. Help me.
Stop buying stuff? I don't know what to say.
Now you know I'm gonna stop buying stuff. You gotta pay for your truck, girl.
I would love to help you pay for that truck. I really hope your PP was not in that shop.
Me too. You should look back.
I feel like this is a long one. I don't think it was.
Let's do it again.
Just hold him for 2 seconds. Wow, you're not gonna help out. Do you put onions in it too, babe? You put onions in the dressing too?
Not quite.
Okay, because I don't do like that.
I mean, you can do whatever you want to. Just I always saute it down anyway.
No, I don't want to.
Besides, this ain't my recipe.
Hmm?
Besides, this is not my recipe.
It's not mine either.
It's part of the recipe.
There we go. That's set for when I need those.
Hey. Damn, you scratched your eye.
Yeah, you did.
Hey. You made the cornbread yet?
No, I gotta make cornbread and then,
When you gonna start making cornbread, man?
I'm gonna do it right now, love.
I'm just saying. How you gonna be making dressing? You ain't got no cornbread made.
Well, I'm prepping, honey.
Little silly. Hey. Little silly chubby.
Okay.
How many cornbread you gonna make too?
I was just gonna make one cornbread.
I was about to say, yeah, well, it's not Thanksgiving.
I was just gonna make one. Right. So I will come back once I.
Ouch. Scratch me.
Yeah, once I start.
You scratch
Probably
me,
once I
now
start
you
the
gonna scratch
cornbread.
me.
So I'll come back once I start back. Hi guys. So there's no PP in the vlog, which is always good. So my next step is going to be to make the cornbread and start boiling pasta for macaroni. And yeah, I just fed Ethan. Breastfeeding is so strange this time around. I feel like the last time I felt so strong and confident and like a superhero because I was pumping all this milk and it was so beautiful. Now I'm like so lost because I'm like, I don't see the milk. And he's a legit booby baby. That's my oven. He's a legit booby baby, so he's on the boob all the time. So it's different. It's different. And I see him. I mean, he's gained a couple of pounds since the last doctor visit, so it's good. But it's just like, I don't know. It's different. Yeah, so I guess I should get started on the other stuff. So I'm going to start on the other stuff, watch some Vlogmases while I cook, and then I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I know this looks like a whole mess, but I'm finna show you. Are you okay? Okay, I'm finna show you. I freaking did it, y'all. That's chicken broth. Okay, relax. And that in there, that's a whole chicken. And then, yeah, and then I got mac and cheese over here. Yep. And then, still working on the dressing, as you can see. Alright guys, just wanted to end the vlog. My camera died. So, that's my homeboy Ethan. Yeah, so, I got everything put together. My chicken was still not done. Ugh, so I had to put everything back and keep boiling it. So, right now it's still boiling. And I am starting to experience flu-like symptoms. I'm not claiming flu. I just refuse. But yeah, he had so much to talk about. Yeah. That screaming you hear in the background is Aiden going to bed. That's a part of his nighttime routine, I guess. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, day 21. And thank you guys for rocking with me.